All right, so this entire PAC Closet library is centered around either the Titus 6 outrigger, or you could use Rayfix if you're already a Rayfix shop, but I would just get the Titus 6. They are actually faster to install and they're just kind of better product in my opinion. So you'll see in all these sections we have this big 20 mil hole and a 10 millimeter hole. Now, what that is, we've got our, let's pull it over here, and we will grab the hardware and accessories list that can be found inside of the additional resources page. Now, these Titus 6 connectors, this is the 20 mil hole and this is the 10 mil hole. And then we have these single dowels and these double dowels. You could just install the entire system with only the single dowels. Make sure you get these ones, the quick fit. And when you download this PDF, you'll have access to, where you can get these and then all of the DXF documents that you need to support you for the rest of everything else. Now we have the Titus 6 here, and then if we go back to Mozaik, you'll see here's the 20 and here's the 10 mil. These are just going to line up automatically throughout the whole system. They will be where the line bore is going to be. And this relies heavily on these fasteners working very well, which they do. So you can pretty much count on them to be in the right place. Always a great idea to give yourself a little manufacturing check to make sure that this 10 and the 20 mil hole line up with the line bore. You'll notice if they're off. They'll be like 3/4 of an inch off just because someone was doing some off-roading or something unexpected and now they're a little bit off, but very easy to check and make sure that they work.